Fireworks displays called hanabi in Japanese are held almost every night across the country during the summer. The colorful events attract thousands of fans and amateur photographers. One professional photographer has made shooting fireworks his specialty. Misako Oshie tells us more about the man who calls himself the Hanabist.
Kazuma Saeki has been taking photos of fireworks for 23 years. He travels all over the country every summer. So far, he has attended over 1,400 events. Kazuma was once a photojournalist. He covered the democratization movement in South Korea in the 1980s. But witnessing riots and people getting injured depressed him. At the age of 30, he was asked to shoot a fireworks event for a newspaper in Osaka.
It was something completely different from what I had done before. Watching fireworks somehow had a healing effect on me.
Kazuma began to devote himself to the world of fireworks. He did research, read history books, and collected information on the traditional craft. Today, Kazuma is a specialist and has so far published 10 books.
I believe my work is worthwhile. I want to pass down as much information as I can about fireworks because there are so few books on the subject.
For many Japanese, summer wouldn't be summer without fireworks. They've been very popular since the Edo period. Skillful craftsmen have been developing pyrotechnics for 450 years. Each fireworks shell is carefully made by hand. It takes months to make one large bomb. Japanese fireworks are known as the world's best for the perfect shapes they make and their wide variety of colors. Kazuma spares no effort to take the best shots. The most important factor is the shooting spot. He usually finds the best place in the early afternoon and waits hours for darkness and the show to start.
Fireworks are an ephemeral art. They color the sky so brightly and vanish in the blink of an eye. They somehow remind me of the vanity of this world.
Kazuma the Hanabist continues to pursue the beauty of the moment. His hot summer passion will never end. Misako Oshie, NHK World.
Kazuma's enthusiasm has led him to get a license as a pyrotechnician. Now, this gives him access to fireworks launch sites where he can continue to record the lives of those who light up our summer night skies. He plans to shoot 20 fireworks displays across Japan this season.